You might be completely invisible to recruiters right now and you may not even realize it. If your resume still looks the same way it did in 2018, there's a good chance ATS bots are skipping right over you. No callbacks, no interviews, nothing. Let's fix that for 2026. Today, I'm breaking down the real reason why outdated resume formats are quietly killing your chances and what recruiters and ATS systems actually want to see now. By the end of this, you will have a clean modern structure that gets noticed by recruiters and bots. You spend hours polishing your resume, applying to 50 plus jobs, and then silence. You tweak a sentence, rewrite a bullet, send it again, still nothing. Here's the hard truth, it's not your skills, it's your format. Most resumes look good to humans, but are unreadable by ATS systems. That's why you're not hearing back. Applicant tracking software system does not care about your pretty designs. It strips away formatting, breaks apart layouts, and scans for keywords in seconds. If your resume uses text boxes, tables, multi column layouts, or decorative PDFs, the system may literally see a blank page. How to fix it? Use a simple, clean, left aligned, one column layout. Stick to docx or basic PDF. No images, no fancy templates. Recruiters search using specific keywords. If your resume doesn't match those terms, even if you're genuinely qualified, you won't still show up. How to fix it? Pull keywords from job description. Use the language companies actually use. Cloud infrastructure is greater than tech savvy problem solver. Your resume gets scanned in under 10 seconds. If nothing stands out, you're forgotten instantly. How to fix it? Bold your job titles. Keep dates aligned. Cut fillers like references available upon request. The top one third of your resume is the most valuable space. If it doesn't show impact, you're already skipped. How to fix it? Lead with achievements and use metrics. Example, reduced AWS cost by 32% is greater than responsible for cloud management. Most people think resumes are about listing what they did, but recruiters focus on what changed because you did it. Every bullet should follow a simple story: problems, actions, outcomes. And here's the twist, fancy formatting often kills that story. Your resume's job isn't to look impressive, its job is to survive the scan and spark a callback. That's it. One column, clean layout, no graphics. Use job specific keywords naturally. Lead with measurable results. Audit your resume using these three filters. You'll instantly see what's holding you back. Watch the next video if you want one story that makes you unforgettable in interviews. And hit that subscribe if this video helped you to spot the killer silently.